Welcome again to mt4gadgets.com. In this quick video, we are just going to go through the basic MT5 or MetaTrader 5 installations, which is fairly quick and simple. In this case, we are going to install the vanilla or the unbranded version of the software. If you have your own broker, you probably can find the personalized or customized version by your broker in your broker website. The installation is very simple. You can download the software from a MetaQuote website. So if we go and search MetaTrader 5, you can find in one of the top results the MetaTrader 5 by metatrader5.com result. This is the official website by MetaQuotes, where you can find the unbranded version. You can download the installer. You can find the installer in your favorite downloads folder. You just need to double click in there. You can see that this is the MetaQuote version. Yes, to continue. I always suggest to proceed in the settings option so that you can customize some of the options like the installation folder, what name to give to the program group, as well as if you want to open the MQL5 community website after the installation. I don't like this, so usually I untick it. I leave the installation folder as default and the program group as default, and right next. It's fairly quick. And that's it. In MetaTrader 5 is now installed in your computer. You can click Finish to close it, close the folder or minimize, close the browser, and MetaTrader will start straight away. As you can see, this is a unbranded version, MetaTrader 5, with the original logo. There's no brokers in there, or this is just a broker provided by MetaQuotes. But that doesn't mean that you need to use this one. You can use any broker you want. You can cancel there, and this is a basic installation. In the help about, you can find the version, the build, when was the last version deployed, and the information about the software release. That's it. That was very quick. You can see installing MT5 is very simple and quick. Again, if you have your own broker, forex broker or stock broker, the broker you will use for trading, you likely can find the installer in the broker website and you can download it from there. Some brokers have a customized version, so they might have some custom indicators, or the about page might have a different logo, a different some different information, some different build, similar with the icon in there. Also, one of the customization frequently used by brokers is they already embed some of their servers in the configuration, so that when you go and open an account or try to connect to an existing account, in the list you will already have the broker options in there. That's it for this video. Thank you for following. I hope that it was useful, and I'll see you soon.